Let's walk through the whole process. To get started, you'll need an image. You can use any image that you have. As you can see, this image is a bit hazy and dark, and the background isn't very clear. If you were to manually edit it, it would take a lot of time. So let's use AI to edit it and see what the result is. First, you need to go to the Play Store and search for Redmi-AI Photo Enhancer. This application has a good rating of 4.4 out of 5, so it's worth trying. I already have this app installed, so I won't be installing it again. So, this is the application. Just tap it and open the application. Once you install the app and allow all permissions, the interface will look like this. The app is asking you to purchase the premium version, but you can simply click the cross button and move on. Here, your gallery photos will be displayed. Select the photo you want to enhance. If you're using the free version, it will ask you to watch an ad. After watching the ad, your photo will be ready. As you can see, there's a noticeable difference in the enhanced photo. It's much clearer and has better quality. Let's zoom in and out to see it better. You can also try other options like Face Beauty, which slightly adjusts the structure of your face. This is our final image, and you can save it by watching another ad. Once the ad is finished, the photo will be saved to your gallery, and you can share it on your social media. Let's enhance another image and see the difference. I've selected this image, and once it's enhanced, you can see a significant difference. The spots on the face are now clear, and the image quality is much better. Finally, let's enhance one last image. Here's the enhanced version. And you can see the before and after difference. So forget manually editing your photos. Let I do the job for you with the Redmi-AI Photo Enhancer app. That's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more exciting videos like this. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.